Helen, an Australian chef. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make omelettes, and we're going to make two today. A basic cheese omelette and then a savoury omelette. In my bowl I've got three eggs. I'm going to add a dash of cream just to make it just a tiny little bit fluffier. So we're only putting in probably about half a tablespoon. And at this point you can put salt and pepper in, just to season it. And whisk that up. Whisk it up very together so it's all combined so that there's no whites showing of your egg. Okay, we've got your fry pan on a medium heat. Just going to put a splash of oil in to stop everything sticking. And now we're going to put some butter in. Probably a little bit too much butter. Just take that out before it melts. Okay, swirl your pan around a bit and put all your egg in. This is the cheese omelette we're doing first. Now wait for that to cook a little bit. You can see around the edges that it's started to cook. Now when it starts to form, you can see on the bottom, just hold your plastic spatula and push the edge towards the middle. That way you see there it looks like it's cooking all the way through, and all you're doing is getting rid of the liquid by moving it around the pan so it can cook. The reason we put all that butter in is to stop the egg sticking in the pan, and it's always best to use a non-stick pan. For omelettes especially. Alright, now we're nearly ready to put it in the grill. This is the trick, I don't turn it, I put it in the grill. Okay, I'm going to splash some cheese on. I don't want it really cheesy, so I've just put like half a handful. And there you go, that's all there is to it. Simple as that. Now I'm going to put that in the grill. Okay, that's your beautiful cheese fluffy omelette. Very easy. Then take it out of the pan by just simply flipping it in half, taking it out, and putting it on your plate. Okay, now we're doing the second omelette. The second omelette is a tiny bit different. We've got a splash of oil in there now. And we're going to swirl that around. And we can put a little tiny bit more butter than we did the last time. Now we're placing the mushrooms, sliced mushrooms, and a handful of green spring onions or shallots. Simply all we're doing with that one is we're just cooking it just a little bit, just till it's a little bit soft. Now we're using the same pan because we're making omelettes straight after the other. We're using the same bowl and the same fry pan. Now all we need is the eggs. 3 eggs again. Same seasoning, salt and pepper. Little tiny bit of cream again. same process with the eggs. The only difference being is we're putting the filling in first. Oh, it's not quite combined. Keep it lovely and combined. This can be a normal everyday vegetarian omelette. The simple thing is just don't put the ham in, obviously. Right, see the mushrooms are nearly cooked. They're a beautiful, soft, but not overcooked texture. Now I'm going to put some ham in. I had some sliced ham in the fridge. Okay, that's looking very full and lovely. Now, simple, just put the egg in. Same deal. Same way of cooking it. So you're pushing it to the side when the edges start to, you can see around there where the edges start to cook. And you're just pushing it to the side. Takes around about the same amount of time. So you're preventing it to stick. Do one last swirl around the side. Now we're just going to put a handful of cheese. It's probably only about a tablespoon of cheese. There you go. Now that's ready to go into the grill. Okay, that's the second omelette in the grill. Once again, this will only take probably about a minute. There you go, that's how beautiful that looks. The ham, cheese, green onion and mushroom omelette. Same deal, flick it in half, turn it over. How delicious does that look? There you go.